everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, so that's my crazy mom and my little sister. Say hi, Danique. So today we're in the countryside in St. Mary. We did a road trip with my family, me, Alex, and my family, to see where my grandma grew up, or my mom has grown up here a little also. And we just wanted to see my roots, where I'm from, and we'll be checking my grandma's mom's grave and her first son's grave. So that will be my great, oh, and her sister. So it will be my grand aunt, my great grandma. It would have been my great grandmother?
Yes.
My great grandma, and so on. So here's my grandma. This is my love here. This is my whole heart right here, my grandma. So she'll be showing us around. And yeah, oh, and here's my little papito. Hi, DJ. That's my brother. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi.
Hi.
Yes.
And my uncle is coming down there.
Who you was talking to?
Best stand down there, bush up.
Who are you talking?
Me I talk with you, or
But Mr. look like you see somebody from here who's been talking.
mango down there.
More
Never go in a bush. If you sit down there, grave then.
Okay.
Bush up.
Watch Papa.
Come on, clean up.
Mama, how do you so stay? So I live a wall.
But the house in the right there, so
The earth gets sink deeper. Kem, you so not deep. You want to walk go and some precipice. You have some coconut tree long.
I don't look on the road when I come up, man. But no one walk down there and I go down there.
No, some not go down there.
Why?
We have a look in mango, man. Mango.
We can't go down there. You want to go down there and see what it's like? Her sister's husband is buried down there.
Of course, we can walk a little.
Come what?
And that's Alex.
Oh.
Alex Wango.
I like Alex.
You ask where you are.
But I go down, Kem can't manage it. Go down a yard.
No, then can't. Alex Wango look.
All right.
We have time though today. We have time for everything. Yeah.
Right, Mama Youth?
Yes.
I black and white grave at the time.
No man, Mas Ishmael.
Mas Ishmael, which one I last one?
No. Where you go? Where you go?
The long I bango tree return them there.
Oh, Tanya must be Tanya then. Turn up on the top side. Turn up then over
I want
there.
Tanya and
Tanya.
You see one up by my last one then. Okay. Okay.
Remember say one grave down there will look like draft, black and white.
Yeah, me at all.
I hish me grave that.
Oh, well, like me at all.
I hish me grave
You
that.
want to come on my yard?
I want to live there.
Dan don't come on my yard. Where you want to come on my yard for?
But me see one up at top, but it's not the one there.
Oh,
Love you girl, but I do.
Alex and his. Alex and my Mormor. Mormor is grandma in Swedish for the grandmother on the mom's side. So it means mom's
Them boy
mom.
here some in Lebly shop in the right here. So I see it on hill, gully. The
Yeah,
land
but I
then,
think-
the land then gone.
Some of them remember one shop they did this one.
Yeah, man, I shot there right also.
Yeah, there's their shop there. So now we're going to my grandma's sister's house. I've been here for a time when I was a kid, but it's been over 10 years since I've been here.
Brings a lot of memories.
But you know,
This one is a country.
Alex, I move like I ain't live. Like I know everywhere. And Leffy.
Then I have one big old tank here to catch water.
The memories come back for me now.
Oh, you've been here before there?
Yeah, this is where I usually come.
Big.
We can't walk in?
Look at the dog. Have that stick in the hand and watch him. Some dog there. You see inside that thing, yeah.
You see what? Beach? Come, let's go down. Careful, Mama.
I look at thing go on. Did have one kitchen right there. So.
You had a kitchen? You do have one kitchen there? Oh, and we have sugar cane down there so also.
Yeah, man.
Oh, some nice sugar cane. Sugar cane. See down there, so? You see? You know what cane look like? See there? Hi, puppy. Yeah. Grandma.
Right over there where they do it like that.
You know, for high again.
Yes.
The back door, you did like.
Yes.
Well, yes, so they feel higher when we are picnic.
It higher, it did like almost up here. So.
Yeah, that did high for sure.
And when you're talking, I think I did the other one.
Night now, you know, man. We have a little story to give. Next time I come for beach, you know what, I will sleep in another room here.
Yeah.
With Luke at a time, sun.
Yeah.
But 5 o'clock in the morning now. Luke, wake up. Vessana come. Carl him now too. Carl know the house and then jump all the while to get the escape. But me now and you come and me no know how to jump. Carl him run come and start jump out. Blue man run got dogs up. Me stand up by the door you know. He say, one day me fi jump. And when me look and see Vessana come with the broom and she say me will get a lick. Me just look you know, I just shut there and jump. Look, that's hand drop on me hand. Broke me hand you know. And all man say my hand broke, man come at me same way you know. Pull it away so you know come through you know. I have to take down a chocolate to walk. Use this one hand you know. I hold on pan, whisk and hold on. Because I can't use this you know.
Yeah.
Because it's fractured. Hold on pan the chocolate tree them and I slide that. Get me escape. Moy? I may just tell Moy so. You get low. Yeah. I did high.
Wonder how come there's Alex the countryman. This is what Alex loves, you know.
Yeah. Fever grass.
Grab a lot of it up. Up our center.
What crab on your hand?
One.
Spider? Ants?
Yes, spider ants.
Spider ants?
Out.
What animal that? Spider ants?
Yes, Spider-Man.
Spider-Man ants.
Spider-Man ants.
Yeah.
So we get
We get pear.
Done. Mama Youth grew up here.
I never
This is
remember.
Mama Youth's yard. She grew up here.
Yeah.
And she was a picture like you.
I carrying it to my right house now, where I
We're
grow.
going to the correct house where she actually
Yes,
grew.
yes.
Oh, so it's not this house.
No, not this is my sister house.
Alright
We're
then.
going to my house now. We're going up now and go to my house.
Me think it's this house.
No.
But really I used to be here too.
Yeah, and this is where I used to come also.
So which?
Grow here.
Yeah. So which way carry us to the right
We're
house?
going out where the car park, we're going that way.
Oh, so we have to drive a little bit
Look at
more.
me.
Oh,
Not that far.
okay.
Jungle, not that far.
So this is not the yard?
No.
No.
Ah.
This is the yard, but not the yard.
Okay.
No.
This is one of the yard.
One of the yard.
Original yard. Not from the barn.
Oh, one grape that there's mama?
Yeah.
One grape that there's so?
No, sir.
Oh.
But
Grandma, long time we search for this, you know?
Yeah. And that's peppermint Alex is
Yes.
holding there.
I've been searching for this for a long time.
Yeah.
Peppermint on that.
like a mint.
So, Don, when you go stay with sister and me, we're going to make some tea.
Mango.
Peppermint tea. You want
You
it?
see tree?
Alright.
See mango tree.
Mind your drops, boy. Yes.
No.
I want things St. Mary, St. Mary good, When they come to food and then something, rate them with done. That's it.
Spearmint? Spirit weed, what that do?
Yeah, nice, Good fear sickness then.
Spearmint? What, sinus?
Sinus. Number one is called bush shot for sinus, Yeah, boy, then. Drink. What that? Spirit weed and have maca on it. Hey, that come up now, mama. Hey, that's it, man. I saw all y'all look on the eye. The beer and come up with something up top.
DJ, take time talk.
DJ, come. So you found
Mom said
river grass and aloe vera.
orange.
Me, I alright.
DJ, taste it. You can taste it.
Taste it,
Okay,
wait.
feel mistakes.
Taste it, Papa.
This is the pan.
Taste the papa.
I pick this.
Taste it, Dan.
You can. I pick this.
Bitter, huh? DJ,
Taste it, princess.
taste
You can
bitter.
taste it.
Can you see it, Papa?
I lick this. I bought you one.
Disgusting.
Tastes bad for you.
You look like you want to go vomit.
Then loving brothers and all that shit.
Nah,
Catch it.
I can run outside the tea room.
you a taste me no like.
Taste bad, Papa.
How's you, Alex?
Me, alright, me, Ironman. This is the best, being in the bush. I don't understand beach and water. I don't talk that language.
Mama.
Taste good, though.
No. Yeah, so
So,
the one more there.
Give thanks for life, right? We give thanks for life.
Oh, this is a little pepper tree here.
Yeah, like before about it and fancy.
Yeah, a little Scotch bonnet
Scotch bonnet?
pepper. Yeah,
Everything.
you have one little
I look up here.
one right there.
So
So we came here empty-handed and leaving full-handed. Even Alex got what he could.
All I have is a little tea bush, just a little more.
Mama have peppermint. You have avocado, mango.
mangoes.
Alex has fever grass and what else?
Aloe vera.
Aloe
Cane and
vera
cane
and
plant.
cane thing. Uncle has sugar cane.
Yes,
What that is that?
Donique has
A chocolate to breadfruit.
The chocolate punch.
Right.
Oh, see now.
What if chocolate down there? But I was saying. You're right, them on that road.
Can burst it, you know.
Yeah.
If he roast chocolate one day, I'll just phone him now.
Okay.
you roast too?
Yeah, we roast some.
You have some that beat the pound too.
But grandma, you not ferment them before you put them in water or something, or you let them be
You
for a
don't
little.
put them in no water, for you dry them and parch them.
It's there for years.
Just
You
dry them,
just beat it and
dry
make
them
the
straight
cocoa.
up, dry them.
Yes, man.
Nothing before you dry them. just
Nothing
straight
at
up,
all,
dry
you
them.
just dry them.
Okay.
And they cannot spoil. And they had
Some-
somewhere dry.
Some people when
Okay.
they break
Papa,
them,
may I
they
chop over this?
ferment
Walk
them
over
for
this
days
side.
before they spread it out.
So you can have them long
Yeah,
time
long,
before
long.
you.
Years you have it. So you beat it and make it and take it home. You have
Oh, you
it
said
years.
Mm.
Yes, man. Keep it long. I love the tea.
Peppermint tea, huh?
Beat the chocolate.
Oh, the chocolate tea.
I love it.
Oh, this is pimento here, man.
No, sit down.
Pimenta, they have auntie, you know.
One next shop was right up.
Oh,
And beer, you know, boy.
you see it? Over there, the bigger tree there.
The
Oh,
little grains, them.
yeah.
Oh, you have pimento seeds
They
here.
look almost done, eh?
So here you have some on the floor here.
Can make wine, you know. Good, nice wine, you know.
Why not it also?
Yes, man.
Pimenta wine.
Smell it.
Yeah, it's not none. So you're squeezing?
I right for one, you will make the
Smell it.
wine.
Yeah.
Can I smell Kimato?
Wait.
Oh, nice. Can you smell?
Alex make you smell things nice. Alright, Kem smell this in shoe up in it.
Come down.
But it
Smell it, man. The one that one.
That's spice, you know.
Yeah,
Cook it on
deep,
food.
rich smell, deep, rich smell.
Can cook on food.
But yeah, when you say uncle, you can make wine. Yeah, because this color night purple too. That's a big lizard. Oh my god, that's a big lizard.
It's small. It's small, that small, man. It change color, you know. Turn black.
It looks even smaller on the camera, but it's a big lizard.
Not sure about the next. See him? You see when this like summertime, like summer, he armless still, you know. But if you are like come tree, people, you jump on you, thirsty, want something to drink. Yeah, when the summertime they're near on the tree root. That's why you see him around the tree root now. Thirsty. They cannot bear nothing.
Yeah. You have 40 legs and you have scorpion, right?
That's right.
Do you know anyone that got bitten by scorpion?
Yes,
No.
Nick.
No?
Nick?
Yeah?
Oh yeah, Nick did get
Yeah.
bitten by a
Joseph.
scorpion.
So what happened to him after the
I
bite?
forgot hospital with him.
The last time I take off one from my neck. But I told I sell and carry this bag. When I throw down the bag, I want big old scorpion with a jump off.
Oh.
Right 9 years I go to
Man,
them.
bite Nick.
But 40 leg.
Fly hospital
40
with him.
leg catch you. 40
Yeah,
leg
bite
catch you.
me,
Yeah.
bite me.
You have to
What
go
you done
hospital then?
No, I use my own remedy.
What do you use?
Said 40 leg. We
Oh,
kill
yeah,
it.
the one venom.
It was somebody.
Oh, you use...
You kill him and put
Yeah.
him in a bottle. And you put some rum on it.
Really?
Yeah, and you keep it. So when you bite me, somebody have one put up.
Mm.
And can't come and give me. And
So
I
that's
just
the
put it on.
that's the Rastaman medicine if you
Yeah,
get bit by a
yeah.
40 leg.
Yeah, majority of things, you know, we look to the bush, you know, the herbs.
Yes, you don't have to
Yeah.
go to no Babylon place to
That's
get that. No
right,
Babylon
that's
doctor.
That's
We not
right.
deal with that.
It's more that if we cannot manage the case.
Yeah,
We go,
yeah.